everyone, this is Zoe from Rockless. This is our laser cutting machine. Its power is 12 kilowatt. We use Yaskawa servo motor and drivers, virtual control system as a water chiller. High configuration to ensure the smooth operation of the machine. We also use virtual BLT laser hand and has autofocus and sensor function. This working table is action table and it has large cover. The working size is 3 meters and 1.5 meters. This machine is equipped with emergency stop buttons in different positions, which can protect the workers as quickly as possible when there is an emergency. The screen is touch screen and it can operate very easily. This is a temperature sensor. We can buy it to watch the temperature of the control box. The machine also has a camera in this. We can watch the machine working video. This is our light. When the control box door is open, the light, the color is red. When it's closed, the color is green. So it can protect the worker's safety. There is an air conditioner in the box. It can cool the control box and know the temperature of this. This is the air compressor. It can provide a stable gas source for the leader.